this month, my husband and I celebrated our 7th anniversary on the island of Maui. It was our first time in Hawaii, and while we were there, we were lucky enough to be able to visit some friends who had recently moved to the island. The weather, the mountain views, the sandy beaches, and especially the warm, clear water were all exactly what I had been hoping for in a Hawaiian vacation. A friend had recommended a hike with beautiful views, but by the time we arrived shortly after 9 a.m., the parking lot was completely full, so we shifted to a less popular nearby trail instead. This hike had all of the effort with none of the views, and included no less than 13 stream crossings over slippery rocks. It did, however, have this beautiful and hushed bamboo grove. We tried again on another day and arrived at the Waihi Ridge Trail around 7:30 a.m. in time to snag a parking spot. We started out under cloudy skies and drizzling rain, which we were missing later when the weather shifted to the typical island heat and humidity. The trail is steep and has an elevation gain of 1,500 feet, but we were rewarded with views like this. highlight of any Hawaii trip is the beaches. We stayed in the beachfront town of Kihei, and I loved swimming in the warm, gentle water of the beaches on the southwest coast. When we visited the north side of the island, I was surprised by how much bigger and rougher the waves were there, and by how many surfers were out there braving the conditions. The number of memorials to surfers we saw on the beach was a stark reminder of the power of the ocean, and that along with the reward of catching the big one comes some amount of risk. Another highlight of the trip was snorkeling with sea turtles. We went with a group, and our guide captured this underwater footage. Even though I got a bit seasick, it was magical to get to spend a few moments with these beautiful and gentle creatures. We loved our time on Maui, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.